Today I have a really cool video for you guys. It's about the motorcycle toolkit that I carry for my long rides. So without further ado, let's get started. This tool roll is made from cotton bags. My mother and wife brought my idea to life with their excellent stitching. This is a T-spanner. It has 8, 10 and 12 mm socket. It is used to open engine cover and other bolts. So it is very important. It has good torque and good grip. So it is better than a normal spanner. These are the two puncture levers. They are used to open the tire in order to fix the puncture or remove the tube. This is a normal cutting plier that is used to pull nails or any other stuff. This is a ratchet. It comes with a lot of sockets, and I have kept the sockets in this pouch. So as you can see, there are various kinds of sockets which fit into this ratchet. It can be used to open various bolts of different sizes. This is an extension to the ratchet. If you need extra torque and extra length, you can attach this to the ratchet to get a longer socket. So I keep those as well. They come in handy. This particular one is for the spark plug. This is a blade that can be used to cut wires and other things. This is a multi-spanner / multi-tool. It is adjustable and it goes up to 25 mm. So 0 to 25 mm any bolt you can open through this one single spanner. Comes in very handy. Then here I have an extension to the spanner. I got this with the toolkit with the bike, so it can be used to open the tire and other bolts on the bike, big bolts. So I kept it here, and then this is an extra spanner. This is tube repair glue. It is used to repair the puncture and used on the patches to stick it to the tube. Very useful when you have a puncture or a flat tire. This is a spare Allen key. This is a tool called filer or file. It is used to nicen the surface. I use it to nicen the surface of the tube before applying the glue to repair the puncture. This is another glue called All Fix from Fevicol. It can be used to stick riding gears, boots and any other things that's broken or torn. Then I have a normal Phillips screwdriver, two-headed. Then I have a small pocket here where I keep the spare spark plugs. These are M10 spark plugs. It can be used for Himalayan as well as Interceptor. Then I have a normal small lighter, and this is a mini Swiss knife. It has different kinds of blades, drills, scissor, screwdriver and a lot of other things. I have an insulin tape, then some extra wires. So that's about it in this roll. In this separate pouch I keep all these sockets of different sizes. It can be used in the ratchet that I showed earlier. So a lot of pieces. This is araldite epoxy and some spare spanners. This is a tube valve remover. It is used to remove the tube valve in case of puncture to let out the air. Then I have some more spanners and Allen key. This is sandpaper again to nicen the surfaces. And then I have a lot of extra bolts, nuts of different sizes, visors, Allen key bolt, normal bolts, so it can come in handy. Here I have a whole bunch of visors, so these can be very useful. And in this I have the puncture patches, and then I have fuses as well of for ABS, for headlight and other fuses. If anything goes wrong, if it needs to be replaced, so I have these as well. So that's gonna do it. If you enjoyed today's video or found it informative, please hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.